everyone, my name is Muhammad Hafiz Hairon. I live in Banjarbaru, South Kalimantan. South Kalimantan is one of a province of Indonesia. It is the smallest inland area, but the second most populous province on the island of Kalimantan. The provincial capital was Banjarmasin, but until 15 February 2022, when it was legally moved 35 kilometers southeast to Banjarbaru. Today, I would like to explain about culture of South Kalimantan, the center of traditional economic activity on the river, where trades sell their goods using jukung. That's the name for traditional wooden boats. We name it as floating market or pasar terapung. The Lok Baintan floating market and Queen floating market are the main destination to experience this local wisdom firsthand. There is a traditional Banjar music art, namely Kintung. This music comes from the Banjar Regency area, namely in the village of Sungai Alat Astambul and the village of Pincau Martapura. At present, this Kintung music has begun to scarce. Speaking, dance from South Kalimantan is from the indigenous ethnic culture of Banjar and ethnic Dayaks. Banjar dance evolved from the time of the Banjar Sultanate and was influenced by Javanese and Malay culture, such as Baksa Kembang dance. Sasirangan is a traditional hand-woven and tie-dyed textile from the Banjar people of South Kalimantan, Indonesia. It is created by drawing paint patterns on fabric and using a hand-stitched pull thread lessons dyeing technique prior to dipping it in dyes. Sasirangan features various distinctive and geometric motifs, most of which are heavily inspired by local nature and culture. There are houses with this type of architecture all over South Kalimantan and even crossing the borders of Central Kalimantan and East Kalimantan. This type of house, of course, took more money than the unusual house, so was naturally the house of the rich. Nowadays, most Banjar people have a little interest in building bubungan tinggi, besides the fact that it takes a lot of money to build. People nowadays prefer the modern type of house. Its cultural values, however, are still appreciated. Thank you for your attention. Bye.